Welcome to Smart Math. Today I am trying to solve this math Olympic problem in a very unique way. So let's find out the solution. So as our equation is x square root of x, that is equals to 27. If I wrote our equation x square root of x, that is equals to 27 here. I am taking both sides by squaring. So squaring here. So this is x into x here. So this is x square into square root of x all square. I am using if power of power rule here, where if a to the power of m whole power n, this means a to the power of m into n here. So also I am using further more if a to the power of m and a to the power of n, this means power will be added here. So next step is 27 square. Square and square root cancel. So we got the power square root of 2 x square into x to the power 1. So power base are same, then power will be added. That is equals to 27 all square here. So this is x 2 plus 1 here, that is equals to 27 square here. So next step is 3 plus 1 is become 3 here, that is equals to 27 square here. So if I'm wrote 27, that is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 here. So this means that power 1 add 3 into 1 plus 1 here, that is equals to 3 to the power of 3 here. So I'm wrote here, that is x cube, that is equals to 3 to the power of 3 whole square here. So whole square here, if a to the power of m, if I'm wrote that our equation is power rule again use, if a to the power of m whole power n, this means we transfer power if a to power of n and a to power of m here. So our equation is become x cube, that is equals to 2 whole cube here. So this means cubes are same, power are same, this means base are also same. So this conclude that x, that is equals to 3 square is 3 into 3, that is equals to 3 3s are 9 here. So we find the value of x is equals to 9 here. So now let's verify to put in main equation. Now put the value of 9 in main equation. Our equation is 9 and x replace x with 9 here. So square root of 9, that is equals to 29 here. So 29 here. 9 into 9 is, I am wrote here 3 into 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 1 plus 1 here, that is equals to 3 square here. So 3 square here, that is equals to 9 here. So put 9, that is equals to, and 27 square and square root cancel. So we got 9 into 3, that is equals to 27 here. So 9 is equals to 3 is equal to 27. So 9 3s are 27. We conclude that left hand side is equals to right hand side. So we conclude that our x value is satisfactory in our main equation. So if you like this method and if you know an alternative method, so please comment below. And if you like this method, so like, share and subscribe please.